So yesterday I filmed this video. I tried the palette 3 times, but all the looks, guys, all 3 looks were so bad. The shadows were so patchy. I used different eye primers, and then my dentist called me. I had to go to the office and had my thing temporary crown, so I didn't finish filming, and I just didn't like all the looks that I did. So today I'll be doing another makeup look. This will be like 4th time using the for my makeup, I think I should say. I'm using the Sigma Beauty Untamed eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use this elf primer again. I have been using the Danessa Mercs for like almost 3 weeks. I used this one twice. Yesterday I used the yellow and the green. This is a sticky tacky primer. I never had issues with this primer, but for some reason yesterday the shadows did not blend out, so I used different primer. I used this one. The shadows were a little bit okay, but still very, patchy. So I'm gonna try this one again for the 4th time. I'll be using the elf one because it's not as tacky as the Danessa Mercs eyeshadow primer. So today, guys, I'll be using the Untamed eyeshadow palette from Sigma. Sorry about the intro. I just, I had to explain about what happened yesterday. It just did not work out just did not work out at all. So today, guys, I'll be using the Untamed eyeshadow palette. So I'm looking at my monitor right now, just making sure that I'm in the center. And this is the Sigma Untamed eyeshadow palette. The packaging is really nice. You could feel it. There's a piece of cloth at the back. You see the shades. It feels like it has that 3D feeling to it. This one also came with a brush. I'm going to show you guys. I love the brush that came from the palette. Same type of brush that came from my Rosa eyeshadow palette. I only have, I think, 2 palettes from Sigma. This one came from my Rosa, and this one came from this palette. So this one, same price, $49. It's vegan, I believe. Yeah, vegan is good. It's good for 12 months. And here's the palette. So you can see, guys, I already dipped my brush with these shades. What is this? What else? I think I used this one and it oxidized on me. I used the Danessa Mercs, so I'm gonna use I think this one again, see how this one goes, and then this one right here. So I'm gonna use this one, trying it again, and then I'll be using the Elf Cosmetics Putty Primer. Sorry guys, I'm keep on looking at this, making sure that I have everything is like center. I'm gonna be using the shade Boho again, this one, this and see how this goes, because yesterday when I used this with the Danessa Mercs primer, this color oxidized on me, guys, so I was really frustrated yesterday. So let's go try this one again, and it's gonna dip my brush. Gonna be here. I hope that this would not oxidize on me, because I don't have time for doing makeup again over and over. It's frustrating. I don't know why it looks weird on my camera though. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Oh my god, I forgot to press the record button. Oh my goodness, guys. So I used the camouflage again, this green shade. Looks a little better than yesterday, but still a little patchy and a little hard to blend. You can see, I don't know if you can see in this part on the side. It's a little patchy right there. Oh yeah. So on my lid, I'm sorry about that, guys. On my lid, I'm wearing the shade Envy again. I wore this shade yesterday like 3 times, trying to create an eye look, or create not an eye look, but create different looks. But yeah, the mattes were just hard. They were just hard to blend. So just gonna apply the shade on my left side again. Oh, this is pretty. I like this metallic green olive shade. Now I am doing this one again. I'm applying the shade Camouflage again because my camera just turned off by itself. We bought this camera a long time ago. This is the Sony Alpha 6000. Yeah, and I only use this one to take pictures. I decided to use this today, but just for some reason it just turned off by itself. Okay, I'm gonna apply that on the other side just to deepen the or my crease, a little more dimension to it. I'm gonna be using the One Size from Patrick Star. This the filter liner in Bodacious Black. Like this one is very black. It is very like, oh my god, easy to use. It's a little better than yesterday, but still the shadows look a little patchy. So anyways, we using the glow stick from Super Goop as my primer. Need my SPF because I'm that age already. SPF from makeup is not enough. Okay, so right here. Then I'm gonna be using the not primer, the by Beauty foundation, same complexion products, because I have really sensitive skin. Oh, I forgot to add something in my eyes, so I'm just gonna do this one first. So this is the Supercharged by Bite Beauty in the shade M90. I'll be using this brush, this like a dense brush but not super dense. It's a little soft, just to blend up my foundation. I've been doing this one lately where I use a brush and then a sponge just to make the application look smoother. This foundation looks a little dark on me. I'm only gonna apply one layer. I always apply one layer of this. For my color corrector, I'm using the Benai color corrector in Peach. So you add a little bit of brightening under my eyes, not too much brightening. I do not like brightening concealers, to be honest. I'm trying to close this one with another top. And then I'll be using this Kevin Aucoin concealer, favorite concealer. This is in the shade, oh my god, some stuff in my hands now. This is in the shade XS10. And then I'm gonna cover my acne scars a little bit. Using the shade Pierce, this light lilac shade. It's really pretty, and I'm just gonna apply it right here next to the green shade. See guys, that is pretty. And on my lower lashes, I'll be using the shade Camouflage, this green shade. Just to smoke it out. I need to highlight my inner corners. I'll be using the shade, Spirit, this one. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Kosas Baked Bronzer. I love this one. Gives me the beautiful glow, like glow from within. And for my blush, I'll be using this Hourglass. I haven't used this one in a long time. This is my favorite color. It's very unique. This is the ambient strobe lightning blush in Furic Fusion. I think it just came out with new shade, which I don't have. I don't have it like their old one. This is the only one I have because this thing was $40. 40. So it's not cheap at all. I forgot to set my under eyes a little bit so that it's hot today. It's been really hot for 3 days, like no air at all. Oh my god, I cannot deal with this weather anymore. It's so hot. I'll be using the Patrick Ta lip pencil or lip cream in all she's single with the Patrick Ta lip cream in the shade She's Secure. This doesn't dry down. I forgot. So I'm going to show you guys swatches of the glosses, but today I'll be using the shade this is the shade in lip dazzling, which is the nudist shade. So the lip glosses, I swatched them earlier. They're very glittery, guys. Very glittery shimmery gloss, which I'm not really sure, but they are actually really you felt comfortable, I should say, when I swatched them. So I'm just gonna use this one on top of my lipstick. So I'm not really a big fan of this like brush applicator, just really messy. I really prefer a doe foot applicator. This is very pigmented, by the way, guys. Very pigmented. All glosses are. This is the darkest one. This is in the shade Heartfelt. So I'm gonna show you guys swatches of the lip glosses and the shadows. Guys, so this is the end of my video. Okay, so the palette was okay. I have to use it a little bit more. Wasn't really big fan of the two shades I'm wearing right now, but it look really pretty on the eyes. I was really struggling blending them out. The metallic shades so pretty, very pigmented. The glosses, very glossy. They're very shimmery. Not a big fan of the one, but the formula really good. All right, so let me know if you purchased the palette, and let me know, guys, because I was really struggling blending out the two shades. And the lip set, and also the collection came with brush set. I'm gonna order it next time, guys, because I know I was really trying not to buy so much makeup. It was really like the whole thing was expensive. So let me know, guys, and this is the end of my video. Okay, this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.